Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back and it feels really nice to be back. So today I'm going to be doing a review for Aliexpress store. It's called MOMOLucky Store, and here I have 5 of their gel polish that I'm going to show you each one of them. I'm going to be using some fake nails. I already swatched all 5 for you guys. And what I can tell you, I really like these gel polish. These are 10 ml. As you guys can see, it comes in this square bottle and it comes with the names in the top. So we're going to be using fake nails for this, and I will leave all the pictures for you guys of each color. Also, I want to mention these were really easy to apply in your nails, which I really enjoy. Also, I feel like they cure really fast. As long as you put your hand in there and leave it, it will cure really fast. I noticed they actually cure with 30 seconds, but for some reason I prefer to always do 60 seconds. In all my gel polish, it doesn't matter if I know it cures in 30 seconds, I always do 60 seconds just to be on the safe side. And like I said, they're really easy to apply to your nails. They're not so sticky like, you know, those gel polish leave a sticky layer. Not these. I mean, they do leave, but slightly tacky layer, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you this. This is the Funny Bunny, which is a really sheer white, which I really like. The only thing that I have pink gel on my nails, so that's why it looks kind of like baby pink, kind of like very pale pink, but it's not. It's actually the white one. For this, if you have natural nails, I think it's gonna look really nice, because you can actually apply some glitter or some flakies, and then add another coat, and then it's gonna look really cool. I don't know. I mean, I can definitely see myself using this more. Of course, all the other ones. But anyways, let me just show you each color, and then I'm gonna start swatching, and then I'm gonna put some pictures, like I said, of all the colors. So this one is M22, Funny Bunny. So let's just open it, and this is how the bottle looks. And see how nice it looks. Okay, so this is the white one, and I'm just gonna go ahead and leave them here open. This one is MO1, and it's matcha green. I really like this green. It's a really pretty green. I said it many times. I'm not good in describing, but here's this green that I really like. Okay, and then we have this one, which is M13, I'm sorry, Coca-Cola Red. And if I sound a little bit weird, it's because I got sick again. This weather is just making me sick all the time. So let me just show you. This is a beautiful, very opaque red. As you guys can see, it's really pretty. Okay, and then I have M23, Sunsea and Sand in My Pants. And this one, let's see. This is a beautiful yellow. Really like it. And then I have MO6, Sweet Toffee color. So let's see this one. And this is a beautiful color. Really like it. Okay, so we're gonna get started, and then I'll be back at the end of the swatches to talk to you guys. I cure for 60 seconds just to be on the safe side, and it cures completely. And like I said, I noticed it actually cures after 30 seconds, but I just don't want to have any kind of issues with like shrinking, you know, and all that stuff. But so far I really like these gel polish. So this one, I'm gonna go ahead and apply another coat. I think 2 coats is probably enough, maybe except for the white one. And like I said, right now I don't have natural nails, so I'm pretty sure it's probably gonna look better on a natural nail. But see, even the yellow one is pretty opaque in 2 coats, which I really like that. Yeah, so pretty. And this red is just beautiful. If you like red, this is a beautiful red. Another thing that I want to mention, I know there's a lot of people that really don't like the smell. I can tell you this polish definitely has a little bit of smell, but nothing like bad, you know, nothing really strong. I think most people probably be okay with that, as you know, it's nothing bad. I smell worse, but this one is not bad. I just want to mention that because, you know, I want to tell you the whole thing. This is a honest review, and I know a lot of people care, you know, so that's why I'm mentioning. But you know, nothing bad. So I'm gonna cure this for another 60 seconds, and then I'll be back to show you guys the final result. Alright guys, so this is how my swatches look after 2 coats. I did cure them for 60 seconds. Now the white one looks more white on my swatch than in my actually nails, and that's because I have some pink polygel. But I really like the colors now. They're the sticky layer on this polish is not so bad. You can actually just grab some alcohol and wipe it, and you don't even have to use any top coat if you don't want to. That's gonna be your choice. I really enjoy using these. They're easy to apply. So if you like shopping at Aliexpress, definitely would recommend buying these. I want to talk a little bit about the smell. Like I said, these have a little tiny smell, nothing bad. So yeah, definitely like them, definitely recommend them to you guys. I really like the colors that I chose for this review. I really love how opaque in 2 coats they are. Also, another thing that I wanted to mention, that I have not forgotten about my giveaway that I'm going to be having for you guys. I was just waiting in some plates, but I think I'm almost ready for that. So for this review, I'm going to leave all the information on the description box. And hopefully you guys like this review. And if you guys did, well, give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Also, I'm going to leave the pictures at the end of the video, so I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.